Human beings are the only existence where we have been given the power to think, the power to collect information, the power to transform that information into knowledge, and the ultimate power to transform that knowledge into wisdom. So of all the existence, we are the only one that we have that power to convert information into knowledge and knowledge into wisdom. If we don't use it rightly to ultimately convert all information into wisdom, we cease to become human beings. We are just like any other animals and existence upon this earth. So not to become animals in the 21st century, we need to reinvent ourselves as human beings. Intelligent people reside upon this earth, isn't it? Intelligent people sit in the United Nations, isn't it? Intelligent people sit in the United Nations Security Council, isn't it? Intelligent people are heads of the states, isn't it? Yes or no? And $2,000 billion is the annual defense budget of the world, and that too in the year 2021 at the peak of Corona. Are you here to fight and kill each other? You want to make this beautiful planet a hell? $2,000 billion, if it is cut by just 50% by cutting the new R&D in the defense budget. You need army, you need navy, you need air force. You need arms to protect your country, to guard against terrorism, to help during social unrest, everything. But if just the new R&D, top 25 countries of the world, if they decide, top 25 democratic countries of the world, if they decide to stop the new R&D of arms by just 50%, $1,000 billion will be saved every year. For the next 25 years, if it is done, health, education, housing, everything free for everybody upon this earth. Such is the potential. लेकिन फिर झगड़ेंगे कौन? What animals do in jungles, what street dogs do at 12 midnight and 1 a.m. जब पूरा शांत हो जाता है. Just 12 hours after that, we with 3-piece suits do in corporate offices. लगता है कि नहीं रीइन्वेंट करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को? Are we here for this? Sometimes the last phone call by a delegate before entering the United Nations Peace Summit is an arms deal. ये भी एक हकीकत है, इसलिए रीइन्वेंट करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को. The last phone call by a delegate before entering into the international peace meet, वो क्या है? आर्म्स डील का फोन है. वो पूरा करके सीधा पीस मीट में बैठता है. हाँ, शांति तो चाहिए भाई साहब, तेरे को रीइन्वेंट करना पड़ेगा. इसलिए ये समिट आज इंदौर में है. रीइन्वेंट की बातें सुन के इतना तो मन में रखना कि जीएसटी तो भरना है. जीएसटी से शुरुआत करना ठीक तरीके से, तो आपकी कॉन्फ्रेंस आपके लिए सफल होगी. वरना ये 70-80 साल का जीवन है, यूं पूरा हो जाएगा. If you really are attending this conference, reinvent. I'll talk of what is evolvement. I'll talk of what is leading. Let us first talk about reinvention. California, the state of the United States, throws into the Pacific Ocean hundreds of thousands of tons of wheat every year. Just because of one reason, that the price doesn't go down in the international market. But they don't send a single ship to Ethiopia or any African country. We need to reinvent ourselves to help humanity. In 1960, at the Annual General Assembly of the United Nations, the then Secretary General U Thant, he said that the plane of United Nations is flying at a very high altitude. It is going at a tremendous speed, but it doesn't know in which direction it is going. He confessed that in 1960. And it is right. More wars have been fought after the creation of the United Nations than in the creation of that before that. 1945, the United Nations was created at the end of the World War II, actually to stop the World War II. In the last 70, 80 years after the creation of the United Nations, more war have been fought than in the 200 years before that. क्या किया आपने भाई साहब? We need to reinvent ourselves. 30,000 scientists all over the world are working 12 hours, 14 hours, 16 and 18 hours a day in their laboratories to make bombs, missiles and weapons of mass destruction. क्या कर रहे हो? These bombs and missiles are not made by illiterate people, huh? They are made by scientists. Some of them graduates from some of the finest universities in the world. शिक्षण अच्छा पाया, संस्कार नहीं पाए. They got education from some of the best universities in the world. They are graduates, postgraduates, and they are PhDs. We need to reinvent and accept people, accept societies, accept countries. If somebody is growing fast and you produce a report by a research institute from America, it is not going to stop India's growth story. कोई हिंड्रेंस नहीं आएगा, चिंता मत करना. मैं नजदीक का शब्द बोला, कोई हिंड्रेंस नहीं आने वाला है. आप जैसे 50 रिपोर्ट तैयार करें तो भी कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. This year, this decade and this century belongs to my country, Mother India. इंग्लैंड के रेडियो स्टेशन ने एक डॉक्यूमेंट तैयार कर दी, उससे भारत को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. So when something has been proved right, something has been proved okay, why are you pinching? You are not able to accept India's growth story. क्योंकि आज according to the reports of many and most of the organizations, India is the fastest growing large economy of the world. और होने वाला है, होगा. तो आपको भाई साहब क्या परेशानी है? आपको क्या तकलीफ है? Reinvent yourself to do research, reinvent yourself to prepare a documentary in a way that helps humanity to grow. $45 trillion तो ऑलरेडी आप 200 साल में ले गए हो भाई साहब. रिसर्च हुई है, ये भी एक रिसर्च है और कोलंबिया यूनिवर्सिटी से बाहर आई है. $45 trillion looted during the colonial era from India. कॉमन बातें हैं, ये सभी बातें एक ही अम्ब्रेला के नीचे आ जाता है. The one thing that is basically needed is improve yourself to the best human being, and that improvement lasts till the last breath of your life. Better a human being, you will naturally become a better professional as a subset of it. Become a good human being and you will naturally become a good professional. Good professional बनने की चिंता मत करना. मुझे एक अच्छा CEO बनना है, अच्छा डायरेक्टर बनना है, अच्छा MD बनना है. पहले अच्छे मनुष्य बने, naturally you will become a good professional.